Alright, let's take a look at another example. We have 0.0037 times 10 to the negative fifth. Again, this is not in scientific form. The decimal is not where it should be. So let's follow the same steps we did before, end up at the correct answer. We want to take this and convert it to proper scientific notation. The first step is to convert that coefficient, which we also call the mantissa, to a scientific number. So let's go ahead and do that. So how do you take the 0.0037, convert it to scientific? Well, again, you're just going to take this decimal and move it 3 to the right in order to put it right there. Now remember, when you're going from a decimal to scientific, your exponent, when you move to the right, your exponent will be negative, so it will be 10 to the negative 3. Now again, you're just going to drop that original base 10 down, so it's going to be times 10 to the negative 5 still. And that leads us to step 2, which is to add the exponents of that base 10. Remember, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. So I'm just simply going to add the negative 3 and the negative 5. And that's going to give me what? Negative 8, right? So final answer is 3.7 times, choose a different color here, do that one, 10 to the negative 8. And that's my final answer. It's simple. It's simple steps. You don't have to do much. Just make sure you add these exponents at the end. Whoops, didn't mean to swap it down. Alright, so final answer is 10 to the negative 8. If you have any other questions about this example or converting a number that's almost scientific into scientific number, let me know.